Hi everyone, I am Robin Kay, and I am a Chalk Couture independent designer, if you didn't know that. Thank you for watching my video. Today I'm going to be doing the ChalkMade Lemon Garland kit, and the kit comes with these round cutouts, these lemon cutouts, and jute to make the garland, and a package of ribbon, different ribbon. Comes with 3 paste packets, 2 bumblebee, a meadow, and a squeegee, and 2 trays. And I'm not going to be using those. I'm just going to go ahead and use my paste. Save those for other things. You also get the instructions. I may be doing mine a little different. But set that aside, and the transfer. And so I guess let's get started. garland finish. The way that they have it in the instructions, you take all the ribbons, you get 2 of each type, and you just tie it on the ends. I don't like that. I've seen, I mean, you can put beads in here, you can put anything you want in between. You can even add your own ribbon. But this is my garland. Took some time there. And but all of my details and everything will be down below. So please, I'd like it if you would like, subscribe to my channel, and feel free to comment below. And again, thank you very much for watching this long video, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a great day.